C major scale. The C major scale is all white notes and we're playing an octave range, so that means we're playing it from this octave to here. I will be calling out numbers and they represent our fingers. So on piano, 1 is always thumbs, 2 indexes, 3 middle finger, 4 ring finger, and 5 pinky. So they're basically mirror image from each other. Starting on 1, we go 1, 2, 3. Now thumb tucks underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the same fingers that we used on the way up go on the way back down. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Third over. 3, 2, 1. Now in our left, we start on 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Third over. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're meant to be practicing these really slowly. That's the most important thing because you're training your brain and your fingers to work in coordination. So the slower you practice, the better. Once you're comfortable playing hands separately, you're going to try hands together. Cross under on the right. Now cross over on the left. Cross under in the left, cross over in the right.